Hey guys, hey, do you want to turn this free pallets into this wonky birdhouse? Yeah, in today's video, and I'm getting there's like swarms of mosquitoes, I don't know. In today's video, we're gonna turn these pallets into this. Let's go. Today, I'm participating in an upcycle pallet challenge. The host is Simply Wooden Creations, and there's a great playlist. You should check it out. And get out your pallets. I'm Sandy McKenzie of the LumberMill DIY, and if you like videos like this, come on back for more. Smash my subscribe button, ring my bell. Forget safety first, especially when you're working with dirty old pallets. They probably sprayed it with something toxic, so it'll preserve the pallet. So you don't want to breathe that in, so you need your PPE. You need your personal protective equipment, you need your mask, you need your earmuffs to protect your hearing, you need glasses so nothing flies into your eyes and protect your eyes, and I also like to wear gloves. I just don't want to get that toxic sliver in my precious little fingers. And another thing I forgot to mention is don't wear any loose fit clothing. You don't want to get caught in any of the machinery you're using. But I've got that COVID belly coming on, so my clothes are all tight, and it's not a good thing either. And then it's gonna get noisy here, so I'm just gonna show you. This is the on and off switch. You just turn it on and off, high and low. I like to operate on high, so I don't really think too much about it. You want to, I traced the little birdhouse on the piece of wood, and I like these holes, so I'm gonna leave them in. And I'm just going to, you can move these feet up and down so it's tight against your board. And there's also a little pipe here, and I don't know, it's probably pretty dirty, but it also blows the sawdust off of your piece, but I don't know how good that works right now. So here we go. wipe these down. I'm going to brush them off with a steel brush because I don't want to dull my blades and wreck my table. Well, it's my husband's table saw, and I don't think he'll appreciate me wrecking his blade over a birdhouse. So I'm just going to wipe them down. You should have seen all the earwigs that came out of this. Oh my gosh, I took off a board and all these earwigs fell out in between the boards. It was like I'm glad you joined me today. So much fun. And I hope you like these DIYs on a budget, saving some money. Today's was a great value for your buck. And I hope you come back for some more. So if you got value out of this video, smash my subscribe button, ring my bell, let's chat, you, me, down below, and come back for some more. Love you, bye.